Okay. Look at this can. Look at this gentleman right here. Okay, is that can empty?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is? Okay. See how it's all dented up and everything? See it? Watch this. Ready? Watch. See how the top's like that? Ready? Resealed. And look.
Let me drink it.
Is this good pop, sir?
Mmm.